Do you struggle all the time with trying to figure out what to put together for dinner? You're maybe rushing home from work, or you have to run the kids around, or you just simply run out of ideas. Well, here's an idea of something that I put together quite often that's quick and easy, delicious and nutritious. What you're going to need is a head of broccoli, some 90-second rice, and also a package of meat. And in this case, I'm going to use a package of sausages. Okay, so you're going to take your broccoli and cut it up into pieces. Get rid of all of the leaves and part of the long piece of the stem. This literally will just take a couple minutes. The broccoli's all cut up. That took about not even 5 minutes. I rinsed it and put some water in the pan, and we will turn it on in a few minutes. I'm going to use an air fryer to cook up the sausages. So what I've done is I've sprayed the inside of the pan with some non-stick spray and just laid the sausages in there. I'm not doing anything else to them. And then I'm going to cook them for 20 minutes at 400. I will turn them roughly at around 10 minutes, turn them over, and then check them again in another 5 minutes, turn them again if they need to. But it should basically take about 20 minutes. The broccoli's all chopped up. What I did was I rinsed it and then put some more water back into the pan, and it's ready to go. Oh, there's the sausages. Okay, so let's take a look at them. The sausages have been on for about 10 minutes and I've turned them over, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them back in to the air fryer for another 10 minutes. The broccoli is almost done. It's been boiling for about 5 minutes. You can boil it a little bit longer depending on how tender crisp you want it, or if you want it softer. That's totally up to you. And then next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the instructions on the instant rice, and that takes about 90 seconds, and then our sausages should be ready, and I'll put it all together. All right, everything's ready, and I've put it together on the plates, and we're all set to eat. Honey, dinner!